In 1960, the Food and Drug Administration banned sassafras root because its compound, saffron oil, apparently caused cancer in mice. And so the idea was it caused cancer in human beings. The FDA used a newly enacted law called the Delaney Clause, and that essentially banned all foods, drugs, or cosmetics found to produce cancer in man or animals. And essentially, it was found that sassafras root bark, because of saffron oil, was causing cancer in mice. So the conclusion was it causes cancer in humans. But the thing is, there was just so many issues with the studies the FDA was using to ban. I mean, first off, all the rats used in the study were given 5,000 parts per million of saffron. The typical root beer beverage at the time contained 6 to 30 parts per million. So they flooded the rats with saffron oil. And when you flood anything with a certain dosage, it's going to cause the effects you want or the effects you're looking for. But no matter what, the FDA essentially just oversaw the complete destruction of root beer barrels, concentrates. Firms destroyed their stocks, their inventory in front of FDA inspectors. And so businesses had to pivot to using the artificial flavoring replacements or substitutes like wintergreen oil or birch bark in the root beer. And that put us along the path to where we are now, where you see all these crazy chemicals in root beer beverages. All this weird stuff that's just sounds like root beer was just crafted out of a lab. But the study is just wrong. I mean, the dosage was just insane. And most human beings, like, to get cancer, like a 200-pound man would have to drink 24 gallons of root beer per day to reach the level that the rats had. But, today we're stuck with the root beer we have now, thanks to that study and their conclusions.